most accurate forecast with meteorologist Jacob Dickey.
Well, some of us had a little sunshine out there today to start, but clouds are continuing to thicken. That's ahead of our next system. We've had a parade of systems coming through. We've had two already, the third one on the way tonight. That cloud cover today, the appetizer for that. 45 in Champaign now here, south and east wind. There's light, 5 miles an hour. That wind will come up as the system gets closer. Currently the center of it now in southeast Nebraska, northeast Kansas there. Mainly rain, and for us as well, probably going to be mainly rain for most of the night tonight. Tomorrow, maybe some change here. It'll be after sunset that I think the chance for showers pick up, and we'll likely see more of a soaking rain overnight tonight. So the daytime is dry. You got some errands to run this afternoon, get them taken care of, maybe get some groceries. You don't need to buy all the bread, milk, and eggs, though. That's not what this type of system is here. 47 for the high today. Some of us getting to 50. That'll make 5 days in a row for some of us at 50. I got 50 in Effingham and in Taylorville for the high today, 50 in Springfield. We'll be at 47 in Champaign, 41 for Watsika and Pontiac. Here comes future track. Notice 5 o'clock. Some of those showers starting to sneak on in here. I think the main round, though, comes 8, 9 o'clock into Springfield, and then through the night here by 10, 11 towards Champaign-Urbana and I-57, I-74. Could be a band of some moderate rain. I don't think we get as much rain as we did on Saturday night into Sunday, but still could get ½ inch to an inch with some locally higher amounts. 7:30 tomorrow morning. Mainly a rain event for the morning commute, but as we go through the morning into the afternoon, some colder air wrapping on in here. We'll maybe see a transition to some wet snow out there, some wet snowflakes. I don't think we're going to have any problems with accumulation or impacts. The ground is really warm after this weekend, but could get a slushy dusting in some elevated surfaces. And then that cold air comes rushing on in. Might be cold enough to sneak a few flurries in on Wednesday as well. Future track shows this system sliding on through, moves on by and exits Tuesday afternoon. That cold air, sometimes we can get little clipper systems that come through. Watch Thursday. We'll keep an eye on it. Could be some snow showers, and sometimes you can sneak an inch or two in from those. We'll keep an eye on it. I don't think we will at this point, but we'll keep an eye on that Thursday. Of course, a lot of attention is to this next system coming through late weekend into next week here. We watch that system. We're keeping an eye on Sunday the 5th into Monday the 6th of January here. And, of course, the path this next system takes will tell us what happens here. We can either go south or north. If we take a more northern path here, we're pulling in warmer air with that and bringing it in. So we probably would start with rain next Sunday, Monday, but then on the backside transition to some snow. That's probably a 3 in 10 chance of happening. You also wouldn't see as impactful an event. If you want a big snowstorm, though, take that south path here, bring that low south of the Ohio River Valley, and that would bring the greatest impacts across the state here. Could be a hefty snow band with that. However, there is a chance maybe it goes a little too far south. That not out of the question. This path here, south with impact, I'll give it a 5 in 10 chance, but maybe a 2 in 10 that it goes a little too far south. You get too far south, we may miss out on that, so we're going to watch that. Here's that north path. You can see, yeah, there's still some snow. If we get that more south path here, look at that heavy snow band. That'd be a stronger low pressure system, so we'll watch and see what comes from that. The other thing is it's going to be cold, and I think that cold comes in 3 waves. The first one is arriving Tuesday into Wednesday, those falling temperatures. Here's that second one behind that 5th, 6th system, and then a third one, even colder, comes in Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the 9th, 10th, 11th. So we're going to watch that. Look at these temperatures. They are dropping down. Wind chills, even with highs in the teens there. Wind chill values maybe down 10 below zero. Could we get to 20 below zero next week? Some of us may have that be the case, and it's something that we'll watch. Let me show you your 7-day forecast here real quick. Temperatures out there going to be dropping pretty much each day here across the board. There's that showing up here. We'll have that rain exiting by New Year's Eve. Should be dry for that. Quiet start Wednesday, maybe a little snow Thursday, and then you can see that colder air coming on through right at the end of that 7-day forecast is when we'll watch for something to come our way. What it looks like exactly remains to be seen, but it has arrived.
Well, at least we have a dry New Year's Eve, it looks like. So
yeah, we'll start with some rain, but by the time, you know, that New Year's Eve, you head out for dinner, parties, whatever, I think we'll be wrapping things up then.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's not sunshine, but it could be a lot worse.